On top inside Edo today, Edo state government don put ogbonge plans for ground to take stop dis YamaYama disease for Edo state. Edo state governor Godwin Obaseki tok am for di broadcast wey im do recently say na 4 ways dem go fit take stop dis coronavirus disease for di state. He call dem creating awareness, training state healthcare workforce, screening and testing and providing prompt treatment. Im still tok say di fight against dis sickness go strong well well if all Edo pipo follow di rules wey Edo state government don put for ground. E still tok say dem don put more than 100 screening centres for all di local government areas wey dey for di state. Wait-and-see governor tok say im government don buy 25 ventilators and all di ventilators wey dey for Edo state now don be 28. Governor Godwin Obaseki come thank some of di Edo state partners for dia donation and im still beg oda ogbonge pipo say make dem join hand with Edo state government to stop dis disease waka for di state.
I speak to you today in the wake of the COVID-19 virus outbreak. Since my last communication to you on the 24th of March 2020, the virus has now affected over 724,000 people worldwide, and unfortunately, over 34,000 people have died as a result. The COVID-19 pandemic is real, and like the rest of the world, we are fighting to get ahead of this outbreak and to protect our people. So far, we have 2 confirmed cases in Edo State, and we are deploying our resources to confront this pandemic. Even as we pray for the best, we are preparing for the worst-case scenario. The Edo State plan to combat the COVID-19 virus is centered around the following: creating awareness, training our healthcare workforce, screening, testing, and providing prompt treatment. To this end, we are ensuring that everyone living in Edo State, whether in the cities or in the rural areas, is provided with ample information about the COVID-19 virus so that they can protect themselves and their families. We are providing training for over 6,000 healthcare professionals from the public and private health institutions so that they can have appropriate information and tools to support and care for our people. We stand a good chance to win the fight against COVID-19 if we obey the social distancing measures and the government stay-at-home order as has been prescribed. This will help us reduce further spread of the virus. In order to understand the magnitude of COVID-19 problem in our state, we need to screen and test more people. Therefore, we are establishing over 100 screening points across all local government areas made up of teaching hospitals, general hospitals, primary healthcare centers, and private hospitals. Anyone with known symptoms or suspects that they may have been exposed can go and talk to a trained healthcare worker who will provide care according to the defined protocol. This is offered free of charge to our people. We are working closely with the Irua Specialist Teaching Hospital, one of the 6 designated testing centers in Nigeria, to expand their capacity so that they can test more people. Additionally, we are planning to open a new specialized testing center in Benin City. We have isolation centers with a total of 280 beds located at the Stella Obasanjo Hospital, Benin, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, Irua Specialist Hospital, and the Auchi General Hospital. In addition, we have secured 25 additional ventilators, increasing the total number of ventilators to 28. 10 intensive care units now exist in the state to take care of critical cases. I chair the Edo Daily to evaluate and review all the latest developments as it relates to COVID-19, while the Deputy Governor is chairman of the technical committee. The COVID-19 virus does not move. It is people that move it and then spread it. You can stop its spread by maintaining social distancing and staying at home, while the healthcare workers do their best in containing the virus. In case of any emergency, please dial 112 and any issues will be resolved accordingly. I understand very much that any kind of shutdown or restrictions of movement will create economic hardship for our people. However, this has been the most effective solution worldwide to stop the spread of COVID-19. To ease the pain resulting from shutdowns and movement restrictions, we are developing palliatives in consultation with the federal government and our partners. I want to especially thank our healthcare professionals who have generously volunteered their time and expertise and are working tirelessly to attend to the healthcare needs of our people. I use this opportunity to thank our partners who have donated items, food supplies, and cash to our COVID-19 account. And I appeal to well-meaning individuals and corporate bodies to assist in providing additional palliative measures. God bless the great people of Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Na here we see dis ogbonge informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo state government don put plenty plans for ground to make sure say dis coronavirus disease e no waka far for Edo state. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na bring dis ogbonge informate come give una. And to get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.